15 seconds.
I got 20.
These colors are confusing.
You're welcome.
Which one's yellow and which one's not?
Exactly.
All the rest.
I'd be good just getting this.
What was that? I don't even know.
Half a minute.
He's struggling with that one because of holograms on it.
That's kind of tricky.
Is that even a word, Mom? You know that?
Holograms?
I'm kidding. Those aren't holograms. What's
What
the
happens if it explodes?
Then you go to the next one.
You can put the pieces
Yeah, you have to put it back together.
exactly scrambled how it was.
Or just cheat, take all of them apart and put them all back together.
Different pieces. An all orange one.
I wanted to have an old. Yes.
Nice scramble job.
Well, the fire is probably already dead,
Oh, jeez.
and we have hot dogs and hamburgers already made.
140.
All right, love you.
He'll make it time to the
Bye
other
bye.
side. Oh yeah.
Bo said he loved me back.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
He's a homo.
Okay, I called Madison and Ginger, and he thought that meant gay.
Madison thought that meant gay?
No, he did.
Oh.
Bonnie thought Ginger
He's like, why do you always call him Ginger? I said, because he has red hair, and he's like, that's what we called people when they were gay.
Really? Oh.
Like ginger root. It comes out of the ground.
Very nice.
You shoving something in something.
That took
During like
That
2 minutes
took me
brown.
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Yeah, you saw that cute.
I want to see you do it in this thing.
Do one of them in all 4 times. Probably not.
Well, he'll probably have you do it for these all the things.
Break it.
I'm gonna break it.
You should see the inside of the one he gave me.
Has a ball
No, it's disgusting. He filled it up with petroleum jelly. So every time you turn it, petroleum jelly comes out.
It used to.
Used to, not anymore.
Yeah.
I wouldn't touch that Rubik's Cube anymore.
Why? It's not lube, it's just petroleum jelly.
Lube.
I didn't say KY jelly, I said
Oh,
petroleum
lube.
jelly.
It's his used lube.
Poor man's lube. He used his lube, okay. We got that solid.
Or no, wasn't it Tori's mom's?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
yeah, it was.
That kind of jokes.
It really was, though.
That wasn't lube, was it?
Yeah, it was.
That was vaginal cream.
Oh, it was.
That.
It wasn't lube, that's different.
Yeah.
And then what it's like peppermint. And it burned.
You touched it, your skin like bullet.
Yeah, your skin like sort of.
Tori's mom's vaginal cream? I'm putting
Yeah.
this on YouTube.
That's fine.
You gotta get his permission because he's probably not gonna be happy with.
His face isn't on it.
Oh, yeah.
Just a lot of background.
Go, Mass Ninja,
Just a
cool.
whole lot of background.
Yeah. Dude, let's be really racist.
Tori who?
Oh,
4
let's-
minutes.
Let's look up a famous Tory. Is there a Tory that you get?
I don't know
Let's
what
say
Tori.
it.
That's not. What's her middle name?
Irene.
What's your last name?
I know. T-I-I.
The one with the vaginal cream for her mom.
Oh, I don't know her mom's name.
What's her mom's last name?
I know.
Eileen.
What else did she give us? There was vaginal cream and
I don't
I want to say handcuffs, but
No.
no, that was in the other gift.
that was a different gift.
That was a different gift.
I even got handcuffs. Was it just lotion?
Did Tori just go and write her mom's closet or something?
No, she asked her
She
mom,
asked
and
her
her mom
mom.
gave her vaginal cream.
Used.
Used, she said.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
why when
I had-
Madison got it, he's like, whose was it?
Tori who?
Einen. Your video is jank anyways because you're like,
No, it's still, buddy.
okay.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Look at mine.
Oh.
5:15. You're welcome.
That's 4 cubes in 5:15. I can't even solve it in an hour.
No more time.
Hunter Nodine. Hi. Do we have any other Rubik's Cubes?
Start scrambling the other one.
Yeah,
Scrambling walkie
see how many how many you can solve in 25 minutes.
Oh my god, that would be a long 25 minutes.
Not for us.
I've heard you say that before.
True.
I think I scrambled it through one, right? How do you scramble it up well?
I do it where there's not three in a row at all. Diagonal or side by side.
Son of a
620.1.
bitch.